What makes a good movie from a bad movie? The sound effect, the audio mix makes all the difference. I'm gonna show you how to do it in Lumafusion in this video. Let's go! Okay, right now I have a cut that has been made ready. All the cutting has been done. Right now I just need to do the audio mix. So that's the first thing you want to do is have your video cut finish up first, then you do your audio mixing. Okay, so video first, then audio. There's no point of cutting audio first. You could do that as well if you do voiceover, but in our case, that's the order we want to go with. It's easier that way. Now, if you a freelancer that do a lot of video for people that are like, hey, I'm gonna do the voiceover, and could you please put the audio into the audio mix? Okay, that is a lot of work, my friend. Don't get those kind of job. If they can't find their own video and audio mixed together, it's gonna take a lot of time for you to search royalty-free video like Storyblock to find the right content, the video for that audio mix. Don't do it. It's good to find B-roll, but if you don't have anything to start with, just an audio voiceover, hey, that's a lot of work. Don't get those kind of job, please. No, otherwise charge them a lot. Don't just peanut for it, please. Now, if you look at our mix right here, right? Done all the cutting, but before I did everything that, I leave a note here for myself. Okay, so I can add the sound effect. Okay, I have a note here in mine. Okay, add sound effect, sad. So there's more drama. When you do your cutting, make sure you think of your audio as well. So every time you have a moment that you want, hey, this could be, the audio could be sad, happy, what have you, okay? When you do your video editing, make sure you put on a note on your timeline. Okay, like that, make it red, any color you want. So money, just respect money, tap tap tap, okay? So try to blindfold, glass broken, something like that, okay? Some effect, pro, you want to add some sound effect there, sound effect, mouse click, okay? That's my call to action, okay, at the end of my YouTube. Very simple, very explanatory, okay? I just show you guys what are the pre-cut. Now I'm going to show you guys the full cut that I made with all the audio editing done and ready, okay? So before you done anything, make sure you have a note there, it's called a marker. That's why I try to look for a marker. You add a marker into your timeline. It doesn't affect your timeline at all, affect whatever in it, but when an editor see that, hey, there's a note there, okay, I gotta add in an effect, okay? That's what we use, usually a marker, okay? So we know what to edit. Right now, I'm gonna show you my completed audio production, okay? Big timeline, so it makes it easy for yourself. The same thing, but I have to add a logo just in case. So every mix down here, the 2 frames right here, okay? I add a sound effect every time there's a transition, okay? The first 30 seconds of any video, especially YouTube video, is very important. So use that to make the most impact as possible. 30 seconds, that's all we have. So people right now are very clicky, okay? If you don't like your video, they click away, okay? Make sure you do that. Make sure you make the most impact in the first 10 to 30 seconds straight away. As long as people know what's the reason why they are watching your video and you got them hooked. Right now, I have a transition every time there's the lower third. Okay? So I have a lower third right here. Okay. Okay. I add a mix. Okay. And a sound effect for every time there's a lower third coming in and coming out. Okay. So right there. So let's play. In this video, I'm going to show you what very subtle, and this one coming out. Okay, low lock, something like that. Okay. Because right now I have built up a lot of audio collection in my library. You can check down the description if you want to buy me a coffee to get that whole this video. Okay, up to you. Now increase here the title. I can do that as well. So let's play. First of all, okay, just a mix, a harp sound. Okay, just say people, hey, wake up, people, wake up. It's now a different type of scenes right now. Okay, wake up. Okay, so your title could be that. Okay, in-app purchase right there. But I can make it sound that there's a new scenes coming up. Okay, so that's what you use the title for, and the sound mix is the music playing. Okay, the harp playing. So every time there's something different on the audio, I have something playing. Okay, right now I have right here, right, the money. So I add in the coin display. Okay, the coin, just the money, people know that. Okay, so I have just a coin tossing. If you like a coin, you can use my. That's why I suggest to you to have your own audio collection. So every time you can bring onto your mix. Get the Zoom H1N, H1, yeah, H1N. I got the old H1. I got this one here. Okay, that's the recording my backup. Okay, backup. This is my backup. Make sure you do that when you do this kind of recording. So my main camera, my main audio, right here, just off camera, and this one here is my backup. So when you do your production, make sure you have at least 2 audios, redundancy recording. Just another tip there for you. Okay, back to our stuff. Okay, so every time there's something different, I'll make a mix to it. Okay, so this one I make a dramatic scene. Okay, so let's play. So I add like two sound effects right there. Very subtle. And this one here, so the Blue Brothers. Okay, so I'll add in another sound effect. Your music or your audio mixing should complement whatever story you want to tell. And that's what we want, right? We don't want the audio to be the main part. We want the audio to be a 50-50 relationship with our videos. Okay, that is a great mix if you can achieve that. Get the right balance and you're good to go. I also EQ my voice as well. So, because I'm the main voice, right? I also do an EQ on my voice. Okay, so double tap to go to the edit clip. Okay, if you look at the graphic equalizer here, there's none. Okay, but I have a preset already. Boom, of my voice. So that's what makes things faster. So you have your preset, one click, and right now, you heard of Lumafusion Director Pack. Okay, before and after you can listen to that with your own setting. Okay, so I also have a video about doing demystifying the EQ. So you can check it out in the description if you want to, okay? Or check out my playlist. There's a lot of great stuff there for you to check it out, especially EQ, okay? Demystify it and you can make a dramatic to your recording or your audio mix. Now I have a preset of my voice. You can do it with your own voice, your client voices, if you have multiple clients. So instead of going every time, you have to do an EQ for them, just make a preset. So you can do it over and over again. Make it easy for yourself. And that's your tip there. Okay, EQ, done. Click out. And right here at the bottom, a background music. Just very subtle. You've been probably, if you've been listening to my video, watching my video, you know that I play the same song. This one right here by Ann Jones. I'll get it free, royalty free from YouTube audio YouTube audio library. And the sound effects, if you couldn't find it, the first thing you want to do is check YouTube audio library. If they have sound effects you can play with, that's another tip for you. My name is Trevor Chow, I'm a TimelapseNuts. Have you got some value out of this video? If you have, give that man a like and subscribe to my channel. I make this kind of content for you to better yourself as a video editor.